Hi there, Gary here from Gann, Australia. Well, here today to talk to you about one of our fantastic moisture meter kits. This is our moisture detection kit. This is our timber moisture detection kit from Gann. Let me run through what you get with the moisture meter kit. So we'll start off with the BL Uni 11. The BL Uni 11 here. So this is the brain behind some of the sensors that come with it. So first sensor we'll talk about is our dielectric ball meter sensor, the BL55. Now with this sensor, it has a lot of different settings for different building materials. So you've got a concrete CM, you've got a weight percentage, you've got lime mortar, mixed plaster, you've got ardrite screeds, you've got a relative scale as well. So it's a fantastic for your non-invasive detection for moisture. Then you have a hygrometer, and it also has a laser here. It does surface temperature. So it does surface temperature, it does air temperature, it does relative humidity, it does dew point, absolute humidity, and it also does equilibrium wood moisture content. So it has a lot of great settings on there. Also, if you add an in-depth hygrometer to this actual meter, you can add a temperature sensor as well. You can do surface temperature very accurately with the surface temperature sensor. And you can add a hygrometer, whether it's a flex hygrometer or it's just an in-depth straight hygrometer like this one. And when you do that, you can actually get the same settings we just spoke about. Also, it has building settings. So when you actually have a concrete wall or block wall and you want to know, say it's Caulfield, and you want to know what it's reading inside, or brick, you can drill a hole, put some tape over it, 50% depth, and then you leave tape over for 24 hours, come back and put your hygrometer in there, and you can take a relative humidity and temperature reading and actually set it to your building material. So when you set it to that building material, it'll give you an absolute moisture content of that building material from your temperature and relative humidity. So that is a fantastic piece of equipment that does that. Then we have our timber meter here. It's our BLA Plus. Now timber meter is very, very versatile. What it can do, let's run through the attachments and then I'll show you what it can do. So we have a hammer probe here, a very nice, really strong hammer probe. You've got your cable that connects into your hammer probe at the ends here, 1, 2, and then it goes back to your meter. So you can use non-insulated pins or insulated pins. It comes with both. So it comes with a stack of non-insulated ones, and it comes with a stack of insulated ones also. So also with that, you have a handheld pin probe. So the handheld pin probe is great for doing, that surface checking. Also, these unscrew, and you can put these little capacitor caps on here to get a surface reading. No more than, it goes about 2 to 3 mil in. So you screw these on the end and then you push down and you can get actually a reading. So if you've got a hardwood timber veneer laid on ply, so it might be 4 mil of timber anchored to the ply, where you want to know what the top part of the timber's reading, you can do that with this particular meter. Now, also our meter has a lot of settings, from LVL settings to all different types of timbers. And it also does capacity, so non-invasive, and it also does invasive. So what you can do with your non-invasive is you can fine-tune it, set the specific gravity, you can set your surface temperatures in here as well, so it has everything in here for your timber. What you can also do, it has a resistance capacity setting. So where you go and hammer probe into the timber, select your timber, and then it actually sets your specific gravity automatically to use your non-invasive. That's called a res cap setting. So it's a very remarkable meter. So this is very good for people that want to do timber. And also for your building material, you can actually use this telescopic handle here. You slot, say, your ball meter in. Now it has an extra cable here that you plug in, and you can attach it with a little cord. But now I can start to go as high up as I like, to check readings as high as I like, right, with my telescopic handle. So it saves you that little bit of time and having to get a ladder to go up and check. Okay, so that is our timber moisture meter kit from Gann. Check out the website for further information on this fantastic product, and thanks for watching.